What is up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Jaden, and today we are going to be looking at some of the vehicles we have in our yard. First off, we're going to be looking at a camper, Winnebago, 1976, I think. And here we go. One sec, let me just... This thing's awesome in the inside. It's just a little bit dirty. It's crazy how big this thing is. Here's a quick look at the inside. You have a door that opens here. And a door right here. Let's jump inside. Like I said, this is dirty, but it's okay. It's blocking it. One sec, guys. There. So first, we have the driver's seat. Just an ordinary thing. Then you have the cup holders where I usually stand to get up here. And then a passenger seat. Here comes the cool parts. This right here that I'm showing you is a table and a bed. The stove, the fan and the light, like normal. Remember the light thing? Microwave. I don't know how to sell it. Your fridge and freezer. Your bed, your other bed. Your couch. Your bathroom that right now I have full of tires, so sorry. And that's the end of the Chevy camper, 1996. I ain't going to show you the interiors of the others. We got a Mitsubishi. A Dynamite, Mitsubishi Dynamite. Our next one's a Honda, which is busted up. Sorry. Yeah, look at that windshield. I'll give you a look at the outside. First, the front. Here's the windshield. Side of it, the back. That's pretty much it to see on that one. We're going to look at another Honda that's actually kind of in the same shape, except more dead. Same thing in the back, except you know what? Just don't try not to get it on the windshield. Same thing, doors are off. But look at this. Let me show you from the outside. Look. Crazy. Next we have the lawnmower trolley belt. Lawnmower trolley belt. Okay, got that out of the way. Two more. Just two more. A Ford F-150. I mean, a Ford F-350. This is just gray. Here's another Ford F-350, but this one is red and no tailgate. But this one has another thing that's different. Sorry about the trash thing. One sec. Can you see that? Good. And I guess that's it for this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.